Hello there everyone on the internet, hope you all are doing well. I'm Vikas Tiwari and welcome to Programmer's Mode. Do you also juggle between free and paid images? Sometimes you choose one image that suits well for your requirement, but it comes out to be paid one. Okay, let me help and take you to some amazing sites that will help you out. For today, that is all. We will meet again in next video with an amazing and interesting topic. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your mates. Until then, take care and thanks for listening.